Welcome to Iron Mountain Data Center's Frankfurt-2 Data Center. Part of Iron Mountain's global data center portfolio, our Frankfurt campus is scalable, enterprise, and hyperscale ready. Located within 18 minutes of Frankfurt International Airport and the city center, FRA-2 is a 10,000 square meter whitespace facility offering 10.6 megawatts of critical IT capacity in a wide range of configurations. The highest levels of physical and logical security measures are utilized throughout the data center. The exterior features perimeter fencing and trenches, along with intrusion detection, CCTV, and a gatehouse with wedge barriers for visitor clearance. All visitors must check in and receive a badge while on site. Security vestibules with two-factor authentication are situated outside each data hall to ensure secure access to the data center floor. With one of the most comprehensive compliance programs in the industry, Iron Mountain maintains a consistent set of global frameworks throughout our portfolio. FRA-2 includes these as well as regional certifications. Our Frankfurt Data Center offers co-location options to fit your specific needs, including single racks, cages, and suites. Cold aisle containment can support up to 20 kilowatts per rack and produce PUEs as low as 1.3. Each 2,350 square meter data hall can accommodate racks as high as 56U. Mechanical and electrical equipment is located in galleries adjacent to data halls for easier maintenance and to avoid contractor access to customer space. Concurrently maintainable mechanical and electrical equipment is built to Uptime Institute Tier 3 standards. The data center campus has diverse power feeds. Data halls have power feeds in N+1 and 2N configurations with diverse PDUs providing power. FRA-2 utilizes diesel rotary uninterrupted power supplies, also known as DRUPs. In the case of the absence of utility power, the DRUPs flywheel is released and the diesel engine turns on within 10 seconds for uninterrupted power to the whitespace. The cooling system is built in an N+2 configuration with data halls utilizing CRA units to maintain cold air to customer equipment. Chillers for the facility are built in an N+1 configuration. Iron Mountain's Frankfurt-2 Data Center is carrier and cloud neutral with low latency to major metropolitan areas throughout Europe. Diverse fiber entries into the building support multiple meet-me rooms, providing physically diverse connectivity to each data hall. Customers can connect to the carriers of their choice at FRA-2. A network-rich ecosystem includes access to all major cloud providers, SDNs, CDNs, hundreds of ISPs, and Internet exchanges, including on-site access to the DE-CIX Internet Exchange. Since 2017, all Iron Mountain data centers have been powered by 100% renewable energy. With our award-winning Green Power Pass, customers can include the power they consume at any of our global data centers as green power in their sustainability reporting. Customer amenities include shared work areas and complimentary conference rooms for customer use. Loading docks support a variety of vehicle heights and offer easy access to data halls and space for deboxing and storage of customer equipment. If you're looking for a trusted data center partner in Frankfurt, contact us for a tour today.